IM injections are common in hospitals and require proper medical knowledge. This typically 100 parents. Today, we will understand the basics of intramuscular injections. IM injection means delivering medicine into muscle tissue. Some medicines work effectively when given through muscles. Safe healthcare always begins with a professional environment.
Proper training helps healthcare workers provide safer care.
The understanding muscle anatomy is important in medical education.
The buttock area contains muscles studied by healthcare professionals.
Healthcare professionals always assess patient needs carefully. Clear communication helps patients feel safe and comfortable. Healthcare professionals use clean and appropriate medical equipment.
Infection prevention is one of the most important steps in healthcare.
Patient safety remains the highest priority during every procedure. Teamwork between healthcare workers improves patient care. Nursing students learn these skills through proper education and practice. Simulation training helps students gain confidence and experience. Muscle tissue can help the body receive certain medicines. Healthy muscles play an important role in body movement and function. Accurate documentation is an important part of medical care. Healthcare professionals follow medical guidelines for safe practice. Making patients feel comfortable is an important part of healthcare. Understanding facts helps people make better healthcare decisions.
Anatomy knowledge is essential for every healthcare professional.
Modern technology continues to improve medical education and care. Professionalism and respect create trust between patients and caregivers. Medical learning continues throughout a healthcare career. IM injection knowledge includes anatomy, safety, and professional care.
This video is created for medical education and awareness only.